Nickel is a kind of silver-white metal. It has good mechanical strength and ductility, refractory high-temperature resistance, and has a high chemical stability. In the air is not oxidize, and other characteristics of nickel or ball press. Forming reasons have: 1 is not scientific ingredients. Is the nickel ore poured in the mixer, stirring evenly through the conveyor belt to crush? The operation process of this batching process is greatly affected by human factors, and its quality depends on the responsibility and experience level of the operator. The fluctuation is large. 2 is because the nickel or ball press clearance is large, with strong powder ability. In order to improve the working hours of nickel or ball pressing machine and the output of nickel or ball, the staff often ignore the quality of the ball and adjust the wheel clearance of nickel or ball pressing machine so that the nickel or ball becomes larger, resulting in the reduction of the strength of nickel or ball forming. In addition, there is a possibility of nickel ore waste because the roller distance of nickel or ball press is too large. The strength of ball E